So we'll start with the pathways of the nerves. So as we know, PNST is all about nerves, right? Primarily, the shoulder joint is 80% supplied by the axillary nerve, right? Most of the issues with shoulder can be helped if you can help the axillary nerve, correct? So axillary nerve, wherever it passes, you can see I mentioned all the acupuncture points which it can cover, right? So it starts from SI9, SI10, SI11, SI12, triple warmer 13, triple warmer 14, LI16, LI15. Lot of us are already using many of these points for treating shoulder pains as it is, right? Any additional points we can use, one. Second, I said, you can use the same dermatome in the back. You can prickle that particular 0 point, and you can also use prickling along the dermatome. Right? Medial nerve, we all know, can be used for treatment of carpal tunnel syndrome. Again, acupuncture points are self-explanatory, pericardium 6 and pericardium 7. If you can see the area, the area which is supplied by the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, you can see this is the area that the patients with meralgia paresthetica come to you. So it's called the pocket area where we use the pocket, right? So it's the same area which is supplied by the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. We've tried to simplify, how we can treat a patient who comes with neck and shoulder pain. We divided the treatment mostly into A, B, C. I will also add an area D, right? So the A area, as you can see, is basically the Hoto-GIG points, right? And the medial UB line. The B area is points like SI13, SI14, Sanjaw 15 and GB21. Or you can say the GB21 area basically. Area C is the area of UB14. The area D, which I mentioned on top, I usually will call it the zero line, right? So A, B, C and D being the zero line, correct? Zero line is very important. Always keep in mind zero line. Along all these areas, the treatment comprises of prickling in a spiral manner. Secondly, we try and add zero needles to all the 0 points, right? Third thing, if you find more Ashi points, so for all pain conditions, please prickle around as many Ashi points as you can. Many Ashi points will relate with acupuncture points, many will not relate, many will relate with the motor point of the muscle, right? So you might not realize, but you are actually treating the motor point of the muscle. But Ashi points are important, will give you better results, if not the best results, right? So Ashi points we have to treat.